Fred Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to be dealing again with the substitute and some of the ridiculous sides of data entry. In this example, it's all about, there's the formula. You're setting this up as a template. If you want to read the narrative, go ahead. But all we're doing is if you insert this, and here we have our sentence. Substitute here, if we have a comma, put a space in there. If we have a parenthesis, replace it. If we have a hyphen, if we have a colon, if we have anything you choose, we're going to replace it with a space. Then trim, you note here, trim is going to clean out those spaces. Because we entered lower here, we're going to end up with something like this. Here we have this, we are still whatever. This is just random. And a whole bunch of parentheses, and then you're going to have this hyphen, and you have this exclamation point. Here, in its simplest form, is one substitute. We have this huge nested substitute, which is really, really ugly. And it is a nightmare in terms of data entry. It's a matter of either your typing skills, your patience, or both. You have to note how this is structured. This is simply removing one parenthesis. It's removing all parentheses, but this is just one substitute entry. So the next entry would be parenthesis substitute, and then you have to carefully go in and enter this same format and then change whatever character you want changed. Here's just one. You can see lower trim. Here's the output. You notice here's, I reference B. B, you notice here, B5. The outcome is parentheses are gone, but everything else, the exclamation point, the other parentheses, and this hyphen is still there. Here's the ultimate. This is the total formula. Here is the second substitute added. You can see this is all about data entry, making sure you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's. That's it. It looks intimidating. It's not. It's just a matter of whatever you want substituted, go ahead and attempt. Asterisks, I don't think asterisks will work, but play around. That's what this is all about. Read it if you need it. Take a look at the map if you need to. Fred Williams, Excel Prime.